Hi guys, welcome back to Ballet Cymru's online tutorials. So today I'm going to be taking you through some strength exercises. Josh did a video about this last week and he did a great little routine that you can follow along. So I'm going to do a similar thing, but I'm going to do different exercises to what Josh did, so you have different routines to follow. I think it's really important to change up your workout routines because it can help to motivate you. If you do the same thing over and over again, it can get a little bit boring. So it's nice to mix it up, target different muscles. And yeah, let's get into the video. Forgot to mention, please check out our disclaimer and make sure you're wearing something comfortable and you have space, all that good stuff. Now we can get into the video. So make sure, like I said, you're in something comfortable or something you can work out in. I've also got a small glass of water because we'll have a little rest in between, so you can have a sip of water. I have my timer here, so we're going to do 30-second intervals rather than like 10 reps. So yeah, I'll time it for you and I'll make sure you know when the timer is about to end, so you know when to turn on to the next exercise. Let's do it. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so that's our workout done. The fact that that was only 10 minutes and I'm already like building up a sweat and getting a workout on shows that you don't need a lot of time in your day to get something productive done. So, you know, 10 minutes if you've got time, quick workout, you know, that's something good to do in your day. Normally I would do longer than 10 minutes. I'd then, after that initial like cardio, go into some more like slower strengthening exercises. But this is a really good routine just to get you warm and ready. So even if you do this before a ballet class, it's really good. Yeah, this is just like an example of a routine. So I will see you very soon and I hope you have a good day. Bye!